Have you ever wondered why two people start investing at the same time, but only one becomes successful? It's not luck, it's not money, and it's not timing. It's discipline. Real discipline. The kind that keeps you moving even when the world tells you to stop. Before we start, let me tell you something important. If you stay with me for the next few minutes, you will understand exactly how small investments in 5 powerful companies under $100 can change your entire financial future. And if you don't stay, nothing changes. So stay. This moment might be the beginning of something big for you. Now let's get into the mindset that Jack Ma believes in. Success starts from believing you are ready, even when you feel you're not. Most people wait for the perfect time, the perfect market, or the perfect level of confidence to start investing, but that day never comes. The truth is, the perfect time is now. The perfect start is small, and the perfect method is consistency. Today, I want to share with you 5 companies that not only have strong foundations, but are also priced under $100, meaning you don't need to be rich to begin. You only need the discipline to take action and the patience to let your money grow. These companies are not lottery tickets. They are long-term vehicles that can help you build wealth step by step. Let's begin with Ford. Think about a company that has been creating, innovating, and surviving for more than a century. Ford is not just a car manufacturer. It is a symbol of resilience. When the world moved toward electric vehicles, many old companies struggled, but Ford adapted. The F-150 Lightning is proof that Ford is building a future where electric and traditional vehicles coexist. Its global brand, massive supply chain, and loyal customer base make it one of the strongest companies priced under $100. What makes Ford special is not speed, it's stability. It's a company where time works in your favor. When you invest in Ford, you invest in a company that has stood firm through inflation, crises, and industry disruption. And still, it moves forward. For a beginner or a disciplined investor, Ford offers reliability you can hold for years without fear. Now let's move to AT&T, one of the most essential telecom giants in the world. This is the kind of company people underestimate because it doesn't make headlines every day. But what it does deliver is consistency. Millions of people use their network for calls, internet, data, and entertainment. And with the rise of 5G, cloud expansion, and digital growth, AT&T is positioned to keep generating revenue steadily. The best part? AT&T pays dividends, meaning you get paid simply for holding the stock. Imagine getting a small but steady stream of cash every few months without doing anything. Many wealthy people prefer dividend stocks because they create passive income. AT&T is one of the cheapest and most reliable dividend stocks you can own. It may not double overnight, but it pays you while you wait for long-term growth. That's real financial intelligence. Earning while holding. Next is Pfizer. This company became a global spotlight during the pandemic, but its true value goes far beyond that. Pfizer produces life-saving medicines used in hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies worldwide. Their products treat cancer, diabetes, infections, rare diseases, and more. People forget this because they only remember the vaccine. But the real strength of Pfizer lies in its massive research pipeline, new drugs, new technologies, and long-term healthcare innovation. Healthcare is one industry that never slows down. People will always need treatment, and companies like Pfizer remain relevant for decades. When you invest in Pfizer, you're not just buying a stock. You're buying a piece of global health infrastructure. It's a long-term play with stable demand, strong profits, and a future shaped by constant scientific discovery. Now let's talk about Disney. Some people think Disney is just movies, but they couldn't be more wrong. Disney is a universe. Think about Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, ESPN, National Geographic. These are billion-dollar brands that influence culture, entertainment, and global storytelling. Their theme parks attract millions. Their movies dominate box offices. Their streaming platform connects them directly to millions of homes. Yes, Disney has faced challenges, but great companies don't crumble, they rebuild. And Disney is already restructuring to become even stronger. When a company this big, this iconic, and this powerful is priced under $100, it becomes an opportunity. Not a gamble, an opportunity. You're not investing in a film studio. You're investing in nostalgia, culture, childhood memories, and global entertainment. That's a powerful foundation for long-term growth finally. Let's talk about Palantir, the company that represents the future. If Ford represents the past and Disney represents culture, Palantir represents intelligence. The world is drowning in data, and Palantir organizes that data in ways governments, hospitals, and corporations cannot do on their own. Their artificial intelligence platforms help governments prevent threats, businesses reduce waste, companies make smarter decisions, and organizations operate more efficiently. As AI becomes the center of every industry, companies like Palantir will lead the transformation. This is one of the most exciting long-term opportunities under $100. If you believe in the future of data, automation, and AI, Palantir is not just an investment. It's a bet on the future itself. But here's the truth. Even if I give you the best companies in the world, nothing will change unless you take action. Your financial future doesn't depend on the stocks you choose. It depends on your discipline to invest consistently. People want big results without small steps. They want success without patience. They want wealth without commitment. But that's not how real success works. You don't need thousands of dollars. You only need consistency. $10 a week. $20 a month. Whatever you have, start. Because small amounts become big amounts when you stay consistent. Jack Ma said, "Your habits decide your future, and in investing, your discipline decides your wealth." Now here is your call to action. Don't just watch this content, apply it. Open your investment app today and start with even the smallest amount. Save this video so you don't forget the 5 companies. Leave a comment telling me which company you believe in most. And subscribe if you want more guidance on long-term investing, discipline, and financial motivation. Your future doesn't change when you dream. It changes when you take action. Start today, stay consistent, and one day you'll look back and thank yourself for the moment you decided to begin. If you found value in this message, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs discipline in their life. Comment below. Backhand index pointing right, I will stay consistent. Let's see how many people commit today. Pushpin disclaimer, included end of video. This video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before investing.